Happy Chinese New Year to all collectors. May your collection prosper. Today's preview is on the Tarmac Works ROAD64, the Mercedes AMG G63. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this casting for my preview. This G63 will be available at the Tarmac Works Webstore on the 23rd of Feb for Tarmac Works Owner Club's member and on the 24th of Feb for public. Standard presentation case with the ROAD64 logo, behind Tarmac for Good logo, below standard information and the Mercedes license decal. A collector card is also included with the serial number. Love the desert photo on the background, it's very compatible with the casting. The casting is resting on the dry and cracked surface with the Tarmac Works logo. This casting is really a beauty. The highlight is definitely on the front. The craftsmanship is superb with lots of details on the front. What stands out for me is definitely the Mercedes badge against the grille, a very beautiful and realistic headlights, including a very realistic license plate. Flawless paint job on the body with very nice rugged color scheme. The details also includes the interior, which is hard to see from here, but it's extremely detailed. The next highlight is definitely on the Mercedes stock wheel sets. It's very detailed, including the Mercedes logo and the disc brake. The painted exhaust also stands out. Love the details on the side mirror with a reflective decal. Very clear and sharp door lines. Detailed spare wheels cover with the Mercedes logo, and also detailed rear light together with the car plate. I'd like to emphasize that the wheel set is very nicely executed. I'm going extreme up close so everyone can see the details. Looks even better out of the base. Wheel sets are able to roll but not fast, and no suspension is included. The details for this casting are an all-rounder, and even the base is also highly detailed with the painted exhaust. The AMG G63 is an all-rounder, super realistic casting in the scale of 1:64, and I have no doubt this casting will definitely stand out in diecast photography on a realistic diorama background, and be sure to add this G63 into your shopping cart. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works preview, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!